We just woke up and we wanted some breakfast. We're gonna try and make us some oatmeal pancakes, but they're gonna have a little twist, probably some oatmeal banana pancakes. Let's see if we can come up with something. You think we can do it?
Yeah.
All right. What is you eating on? It's all over your mouth. We got some old-fashioned oats. We'll take about. Ooh, I'm making a mess. We'll take about a half a cup. So we put it in our little bullet blender. We're not gonna blend it all the way up. We're just gonna post it a little bit. Because we want to maintain a little bit of the texture. You know what I'm saying? In the pancake. All right, so what you want to do is get you a sweet banana. See them little spots? That's not a bad banana. That's a good banana. All right, so we're going to take this banana because we want banana pancakes. But we're only going to use half of it.
There's a bad spot on the banana.
I didn't use the bad spot. It's not a bad spot. That's sweetness. All right, so we're going to take this banana. We're going to just mash it up. You know what I'm talking about? Mash our banana up.
That looks fine.
You know what I'm talking about? Now, if you want a real strong banana flavor, you know what I'm saying, go with the whole banana. It's just up to you. You know what I'm talking about? So, we got our banana mashed up. Everybody else sleeps, so this is really just for us. We just doing a little tasting. We're gonna take our little banana, puree, mash up, throw it in the bowl. You know what I'm talking about? We're gonna take our little oats we got. Bam! Throw it in the bowl. You know what I'm talking about? Now we're gonna get a cup or whatever your favorite pancake mix is. Throw that in there. Just like that right there. Got our whisk. It's the hood whisk. You know what I'm talking about? The handle broke on it. Mia, did you make that mess? You just waste pancake mix everywhere.
No, I didn't.
Pause the video. Cut the video. All right, so to this, we got our, come on down with the video so we can see. All right, check me out. My video, part-time video person. We got our oatmeal flour we made in here. We got our pancake mix in there. We got our crushed banana. Now we're going to hit it with a pinch of cinnamon. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all know I don't use nothing but cheap stuff. I'm cheap. But it be good, though, don't it, Mia? All right, we got some vanilla. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to hit it with a splash of vanilla. You know what I'm talking about? Just like that right there. Hey, then we're going to hit it with a little bit of salt. Now, I like my pink Himalayan sea salt. Just a tad bit. You know what I'm talking about? And then we want these to be sweet cakes. You want sweet cakes this morning? All right, so I'm going to use about, I don't know, about a tablespoon of sugar. You know what I'm saying? Sweeten it up. We keep our sugar in this container, so that's why the sugar came out that lid like that. All right? And then me and Mia, we can't handle milk, so we always go with the soy. So we're going to use that for our liquid. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to start putting that in there. You know what I'm saying? Like that right there. We're going to bring it together. You know what I'm talking about? Get the bowl, shorty. Get the bowl. Show them what we doing. You know what I'm talking about?
We mixing.
We mixing, just like that right there. Now, to me, that's pretty good there.
It smells good, too.
It smells delicious, wonderful. You know what I'm talking about? Now, I'm going to add a little bit more flour to mine. Because I like my cakes to be kind of thick. So, pro tip, add another quarter cup of our pancake flour. You know what I'm talking about?
We mix
Thicken it up a little bit. Nah, see, that's what I'm talking about right there. And that's what we want right there, shawty. Know what I'm talking about? We don't want to overmix, but we want to get them bananas whipped in real good. So that's it right there. Know what I'm talking about? Let's go. Shut the video down. Shut it down. Mia said she wanted strawberries. Gotta get them strawberries for breakfast. Where's JJ at?
He's asleep.
JJ sleep.
It's just me and Daddy.
Wally World.
Vlogging.
Those look pretty.
Yeah. Let's get some fruit. Hey, Dad, it's time for you to get my nails done.
What?
It's time for you to get my nails done.
What's wrong with your nails?
They're looking sad right now.
They're sad?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Your finger. Okay. That looks good, don't it? You can talk.
Yup. That looks really good.
So we just took our little scooper, scooped that pancake in it. We hit it with a little canola oil spray so it won't stick. Got it on medium heat. Let it cook about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes on each side, man. And this is what you come up with. I'm talking about. Everybody know how to cook a pancake. This is how we cook our whole grain oatmeal banana
Pancake.
Yes, ma'am. And then we're going to throw a little bit of strawberries and whipped cream and bananas on top. We taking it to the next level, baby. They ain't ready. So this is how we do it. We're going to hit it with a little spray.
Spray.
And we're going to take our little scoop. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to drop our cake in there like that right there.
It smells so delicious, Dad.
Yeah, it's going to be the bomb, I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Spread it out like that. We're going to let it go for about 1.5 minutes. We're going to flip it. See what we got. You know what I'm talking about?
What? Why does it look
Damn.
like that?
All right, we got the Big Daddy. You ready for it?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3.
Big Daddy flip. So we're going to hit the top of that cake with a little butter. You know what I'm talking about? Little butter. You know what I'm talking about?
Butter.
Show them my stack. Show them my stack.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't be jealous, man. Look, just go on in the kitchen, follow these simple instructions, and make your own. So we working on our stuff, man. We got us some slices of bananas. You know what I'm talking about? We're going some slices of strawberries, alternating in and out. You know what I'm saying? Many as you want. You know what I'm talking about? Many as you want. Just stack it up, baby. Fresh and fruity. You know what I'm talking about? We'll take some more slices of strawberries. You know what I'm talking about? Throw it on there like that right there.
We're going for 13 now.
Yeah, we're going for the gusto. You know what I'm talking about? Let's make it look nice.
Yep.
So, now that we got our strawberries and bananas on there, we gonna take it up to the next level.
Oh yeah, I like that. Can I do it?
We're gonna take it to the next level.
Can I do it?
No, ma'am. Let Daddy professional. Let's handle
You're
this
not
part.
very fresh for me.
We gonna finish it off. One time I bring it in like that right there. We're gonna finish it off with a little bit of. No, I'm talking about. No, I'm talking about. No, I'm talking about. That's what you're talking about right there. They don't know nothing about that Oatmeal. Ooh, go on, get you a taste. Go on, get you a taste. All right, people, it's time for a taste test. Check your boy out. This is what we got. You know what I'm talking about? We got our strawberry, banana, pancakes. You know what I'm talking about? With the Cool Whip on top. You know what I'm talking about? We take it to another level. Go. Push it hard. Oh, man.